and welcome to this video today, all about testing manifestation and the law of attraction. So I've put together this video so that you can actually experience manifestation and law of attraction in your own world, okay? In your own life. And so we're going to be manifesting a orange butterfly, okay? And so what I want you to do is I want you to set the intention that you are going to manifest a orange butterfly within the next 48 hours. Now, you can either just think this in your mind that you intend to manifest an orange butterfly within the next 48 hours, or you can write it down on a piece of paper. I personally like to write it down on a piece of paper. So if you want, pause the video, take a moment to do that. And so now I'm going to take you through a little process to activate your manifestation. So on the screen, there is going to be a picture of an orange butterfly. Now, the exercise I'm going to take you through can be done with your eyes open or shut. So if you're not the best at visualizing, you can either do the process I'm going to take you through either by writing it down or doing it in your head as you look at the butterfly on the screen. So for those who are closing their eyes, let's get started. And the other ones who aren't, just follow along your preferred way. So staring at the picture of the orange butterfly on the screen for around 10 seconds. Now closing your eyes and see an orange butterfly out in front of you. Now, I want you to have a connection in your mind about this orange butterfly, as if you were describing it to a friend. So, what does the orange butterfly look like? What does the orange butterfly feel like? If you were to run your hands over it, telling your friend, what does the orange butterfly feel like? Is it soft? Does it have indentations in it? What does it feel like against your skin? What does the orange butterfly sound like? Is its wings fluttering ever so slightly and you can hear a light sound of them fluttering away? What does it sound like? And describe it in your mind to your friend. What do you feel in your body when you look at this butterfly? What is the feeling you are experiencing deep in your body when you look at this butterfly? Are you feeling joy, appreciation, excitement, fun? What are you feeling? And tell that to your friend. Now taking a nice deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Another one in through the nose, out through the mouth. And slowly opening your eyes. And there you go, you've just put out to the universe what you want to manifest in the next 48 hours. And I can't wait for you to manifest your butterfly. And when you do, please come back and tell me in the comments below that you have manifested your butterfly. I would love to know. And also, just a note as well, the butterfly may not specifically come in from an actual butterfly you see out in the yard, you know, as you're out walking or you're out driving or whatever. It may come on a card, on a meme on Facebook, YouTube, or an envelope you receive, or a pen, whatever. Just be open to the universe bringing it to you any which way that it wants to. And when you get it, make sure you come back and put it in the comments that you manifested it. As I said before, I really want to celebrate this manifestation with you because it's just so exciting. So there you have it. Happy manifesting your orange butterfly. And I would love you to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and the bell notification so you are notified of upcoming videos I put out like this, so you can manifest your best life. Take care. Bye.